Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to GMC Terrain step by step. Start the Terrain, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and bring the phone within 3 feet of the vehicle. Tap Settings on the infotainment screen, then Bluetooth, and choose Add Phone. Select your phone name when it appears and confirm the PIN if prompted. Wait for the confirmation and grant Contacts permission for hands-free calling and messaging. Once paired, the infotainment system shows connected status and available features immediately. Use the phone icon to access recent calls, favorites, and contacts safely while parked. You can also enable audio streaming to play music from your phone through the vehicle speakers. Adjust call volume and media levels with the steering wheel controls. If you switch phones, remove the old device to avoid automatic conflicts during future pairings. If pairing fails, stay calm and try a few quick fixes before troubleshooting deeper. Restart your phone and the infotainment system, confirm Bluetooth visibility, and clear any old devices from the phone list. Check that Do Not Disturb or battery saver modes are off, as they can block pairing. If problems persist, consult the vehicle manual or contact GM support for guidance on software updates or factory resets for the head unit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.